Hi everyone, welcome back to the Best Chilladia set series. This is Shubham from Team Prep Zone, and I hope your preparation is doing well. Today I have a very great calculation-based DI set, and I'm sure you all are really going to enjoy it because this is a perfect logic-based DI set, exactly a type that you can expect when I'm Ahmedabad setting up the paper. Okay, and if you need any regular revision or if you need daily targets in your inbox, feel free to ping me on my number. That is my number that is mentioned here, 80179530035. Okay, in the last 50, 60 days, it is very important to stay focused and away from all of such distraction. Okay, and if you need a dedicated group for daily revision at 10 p.m., marathon event has already started. We have covered around 10 days with rigorous practice of different sections. You may want to check it out. Okay, so with this, let's move on to today's set for the day. And this is the set. Pause the video, try to attempt this set, and only then have a look at the solution. Okay, this is the set, and these are the 4 questions that follow. Okay, so let's see what is given to us in the set. Alpi is a 2-year kid who likes to play with 5 different toys. Okay, she has exactly 1 toy of each kind. She plays for 7 consecutive days starting from Monday. Okay, starting is from Monday. Fair. So Monday is basically a first day. And each day she played with at least 1 toy. Okay, the duration for which she played with each of the toys is A को वो 1 मिनट खेलती, B को 2 मिनट, C को 3 मिनट, D को 4 मिनट and E को 5 मिनट. Okay, this is what she plays. Okay, each of the toy. Then the bar graph shows the total duration for which she played with the toys for 7 days. All the 7 days are disguised as D1, D2, D3 something, and this is not necessarily in the same order, right? ये मुझे इसने total duration दे दी है कि यार D1 में total duration वो 7 घंटे खेल रहा है, but I don't know कि वो 7 घंटे में से A कितना, B कितना, C कितना, and then there is some additional information that is given to me. तो मुझे ये set solve करना है कि यार D1 कौन सा दिन है and D1 को वो कौन-कौन से toys के साथ खेल रहा है, right? These are the 2, 3, 4 variables that I need to figure out. Okay, so let's see. I will start figuring this out कि यार क्या given क्या है. So see, नीचे वाले बार ग्राफ को पहले मैं काफी सिंपल लैंग्वेज में I will write so that I don't have to look at the graph again and again. Okay, तो क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. These are the 7 days, right? मुझे total number of hours पता है कि D1 is what, 7 hours, right? D1 7 hours है, D2 is 10 hours. Similarly 6, 5, 9, 7 and 3. ये है total number of hours जो सारे टॉयज के मिला के है. ठीक है, this is the only thing that is given to me. Now let's see कि मुझे क्या क्या information given है. She plays with exactly 1 toy at a time and does not play with the same toy in any 2 consecutive days. Okay, ठीक है, कोई भी 2 consecutive days में वो same toy के साथ नहीं खेल रही, which means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday toys have to be different. Okay, तो it's an important information, but ये कोई direct information नहीं, so मैं इसको directly नहीं plug in कर सकता. Furthermore, she does not play with the same toy more than once in any day. Okay, which means in a day she'll only play with the toy at max at once. She played for the same duration for exactly 2 consecutive days. Okay, she played for the same duration for exactly 2 consecutive days. ये चीज मुझे given है, right? इसका मतलब it has to be what? Either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. These are the only possibilities. यहाँ पे ठीक है. Then the duration for which she played on Saturday was half of the duration for which she played on Sunday, right? तो मुझे क्या given है Saturday and Sunday में? Information that is given is the duration for which she played on Saturday. Saturday को वो जितना खेल रही है उस half of the duration for which she played on Sunday. So Sunday का half है, right? Which means Sunday को even number होना चाहिए, right? Which means अगर Sunday is 10 hours, it has to be 5. मैं यहाँ से numbers plug in कर रहा हूँ. 10 is even, 6 is also even, right? So these are the only 2 possibilities that I have. या तो 3, 6 होगा या फिर 5, 10 होगा, right? इसके beyond तो nothing can happen. Okay. Then on Monday she played for 3 minutes more than what she did on Wednesday. Okay. Then Monday or Wednesday का मुझे कुछ information given है. Monday she played for 3 minutes more than she did on Wednesday. Wednesday पे अगर वो x hours है तो Monday का वो x plus 3, which means एक combination हो गया Wednesday 7 and Monday का 10 हो जाएगा, right? Wednesday 10 हो नहीं सकता, Wednesday 6 हो सकता है. 6 and 9 is like another combination, and 3 and 6 is like another combination. These are the only three combinations basis जो भी मेरे पास duration given है, right? And the day on which she played for the least duration was not Tuesday, okay? So which means day 7 is not Tuesday. ये चीज Tuesday नहीं है, right? ये मुझे पता है क्योंकि least is she is playing on D7 and D7 is not Tuesday, okay? Fair. The day she played for 6 minutes, okay, 6 मिनट के लिए जब वो खेल रही, comes before the day she played for 10 minutes in the row week, okay? जब वो 10, okay, ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये जो भी दिन है ना, so the day for which she played 6 minutes comes before the day she played for 10 minutes in the week, right? इसका मतलब 10 minutes से पहले ही आएगा, right? इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि यार 10 minutes वाला दिन कौन सा नहीं हो सकता? 10 minutes वाला दिन सबसे फर्स्ट डे नहीं हो सकता, राइट? एंड क्वेश्चन में मुझे गिवन है दैट आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मंडे, व्हिच मींस 10th वाला डे मंडे नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज अगर मंडे हो गया तो मंडे के पहले कोई दिन नहीं है. संडे विल नॉट बी अ डे व्हिच विल बी बिफोर मंडे. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद मंडे, राइट? सो D2 कैन नॉट बी मंडे, हेंस आई एम सेइंग कि ये वाला जो केस है, ये केस तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. नाउ दीज आर द ओनली टू केसेस दैट आई कुड पॉसिबली फोरसी, राइट? तो मैं एक टेबल बना दूंगा, ठीक है? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट मेकिंग अ टेबल. फर्स्ट केस वाज कि यार मंडे वेंसडे, ओके, 9 and 6, ओके, D9 and D6, राइट? तो D9 को मैंने कहा, सॉरी मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, अच्छा 9 hours वाला. सो 9 hours वाला इज मंडे, सो दिस कुड बी माय मंडे, राइट? ये इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है कि यार या तो ये मंडे होगा एंड वेंसडे विल बी 6 hours वाला, दिस विल बी वेंसडे, राइट? और 6 hours वाला मंडे होगा, 6 hours वाला मंडे होगा एंड 3 hours वाला वेंसडे होगा, 3 hours वाला वेंसडे होगा, 3 hours वाला वेंसडे होगा, राइट? दिस इज अनदर केस. These are the two possible cases that I have. मैं एक टेबल आराम से बना लेता हूँ, राइट? ओके, ताकि I can now easily foresee. I'm just trying to make this clear for you guys. May not be required by you, but for me it will be needed so that you don't have any confusion. Okay, great. तो यार ये केसेस है, यहाँ से मुझे ये तो देखो क्लियरली समझ आ रहा है कि जो D3 है which has a total of 6 hours, वो या तो मंडे होगा या वेंसडे होगा, इसके बियॉन्ड वो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, राइट? दीज आर द ओनली टू केसेस दैट आई हैव नाउ, व्हिच मींस जो 6 hours वाला संडे का केस था इन माय अनदर यूज केस, वो तो डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट ट्रू. व्हाई? बिकॉज 6 hours वाला जो है दैट इज D3 कैन ईदर बी मंडे और वेंसडे, सो D3 कभी भी सैटरडे या संडे तो नहीं हो सकता, राइट? व्हिच मींस सैटरडे हमेशा 5 hours वाला होगा, सो दिस हैज टू बी माय सैटरडे, this has to be my Saturday in both the cases, and Sunday हमेशा 10th वाला होगा, so this has to be my Sunday and this has to be my Sunday, right? तो मैंने ये इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी यूज में ले ली, राइट? सो द डे फॉर विच, हाँ अभी देख लेते हैं और क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है. आई हैव यूज्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन नंबर 3, आई हैव यूज्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन नंबर 4, right? Then she played for the same duration for exactly 2 consecutive days, okay? She played for the same duration for exactly 2 consecutive days, right? 2 consecutive days कौन से? D1 and D6, right? तो मुझे D1 D6 निकालना है अभी, तो देखते हैं क्या क्या पॉसिबल वैल्यूज है. मंडे इज डन, राइट? तो मंडे ट्यूसडे हो नहीं सकता, ट्यूसडे वेंसडे हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि वेंसडे इज लाइक ऑलरेडी टेकन, राइट? वेंसडे थर्सडे हो नहीं सकता, वेंसडे इज टेकन. थर्सडे फ्राइडे इज पॉसिबल, फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज सैटरडे संडे इज ऑलरेडी टेकन, राइट? सेम गोज हियर, व्हिच मींस ये इन्फॉर्मेशन या तो थर्सडे होगी या फिर फ्राइडे होगी, राइट? सेम गोज फॉर D6, ये या तो थर्सडे होगी या फिर ये फ्राइडे होगी. सेम विल बी द केस हियर, ईदर थर्सडे और फ्राइडे, and same is the case here, या तो थर्सडे होगा या फ्राइडे होगा, right? Which means the only number left is this has to be Tuesday and this has to be Tuesday in the first case. But मुझे पता है कि D7 can't be Tuesday, which means first वाला case will not hold true, so this is the only possible case that I now have. ये क्लियर हुआ? वेरी स्मार्टली हमने एटलीस्ट ये डिकोड कर लिया कि यार कौन सा दिन क्या है. ओके, लेट्स सी. The day for which she played for 6 minutes comes before the day she played for 10 minutes. Okay, great. ये भी हमने यूज में ले लिया है. And she played for the same duration. ये भी हमने यूज में ले लिया है. Information number 2 is also used. She does not play with the same toy more than once in any day. अभी ये information मैंने यूज में नहीं ली है. Okay, this information is yet to be used. So now let me try to make a case, because now I'll try to use this information कि यार how can I map these toys with the days? Okay, so पहले तो let me try to write days here. मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे, वो मैं एक बार लिख लेता हूँ ताकि it is very much clear to me. Okay, so I will try to write it here. Let's see. Okay, so where should I write it? Okay, let me try to write it here. Maybe I'll try to change the color of my pen so that it is more clear to you guys. Okay, great. So I'm writing Monday. Near. Let me write it here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, right? तो मंडे को क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है? मंडे इज डेफिनेटली 6 hours, राइट? सो मंडे को टोटल ड्यूरेशन हैज टू बी 6 hours. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so Monday is 6, Tuesday is 9, Wednesday is 3, Thursday, Friday, I don't know, it can be either of these two, right? Which means 7 ही होगा, right? This is the only possibility that I have. And 5 and 10. This is how my table is now formed. Okay. Now I need to start mapping my toys here. How can I map toys to these number of hours? Okay, let's see. तो देखो मुझे क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है. फॉर एग्जांपल मंडे 6 hours. 6 कैन बी व्हाट? ईदर वेज. 2 C भी हो सकते हैं, बट आई नो वन टॉय इज ओनली यूज्ड वंस फ्रॉम माय पॉइंट नंबर 1. सो मंडे कैन बी ईदर 4 + 2 which is D and B, or it can be E and A, है ना? कुछ भी हो सकता है. और it can be ABC as well, because 1 + 2 + 3 is also equals to 6. So now I hope you are clear that I just need to make a sum of 6 hours by using these different toys. Okay, so now let me try to find some starting point. Okay, see यहाँ से मुझे इतना तो पता है कि यार Tuesday 9 hours अगर मुझे करने हैं, the only possibility that I have is, okay, 9 मेरा कैसे हो सकता है तुम लोग बताओ? 9 can be either 4 + 3 + 2 9, or it can be 5 + 4 9, right? कुछ भी हो सकता है, I don't know. Then let's see Wednesday का 3, it can be only C, or it can be B + A as well. Okay, थर्सडे फ्राइडे का 7 है. तो यहां से मुझे लग रहा है कि यार 2 7 इकट्ठे आ रहे हैं, राइट? तो अगर मुझे 7 का सम लाना है, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट वेज थ्रू व्हिच आई कैन हैव अ सम ऑफ 7? लेट्स सी. एंड दीज आर consecutive days, right? And it is given to me. I do not, that this person does not play with the same toy more than once, right? So if I have to have a sum of 7, the only possibilities that I have is 5 + 2 and 4 + 3. This is my only possibility, right? ठीक है. एक और पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है which is 4 + 2 + 1. ठीक है, 4 + 2 + 1 भी हो सकता है. Anything else that you guys can see? 9. Great then. So these are the 3 possibilities that I have for 777. But then see, the only catch is, okay, let's try to maybe just think through कि what are those 2 possible cases जब ये हो जाएगा. अगर ये 4 + 2 + 1 हो गया, right? If I have 4 + 2 + 1 equals to 7 in say Thursday or in say Friday, another 7 I will not be able to create, because I will need a 2 here or I will need a 4 here, right? Which means 4 + 2 + 1 तो नहीं हो सकता, because अगर मैंने ये यूज में ले लिया, my 2 is blocked and then my 4 is blocked. The only numbers I have is 3 and 5, जिससे मैं कभी भी 7 नहीं बना पाऊंगा. Which means I will have 2 cases now. Okay, केस नंबर 1 में क्या होगा? यहाँ पे 5 and 2 आएगा, and यहाँ पे 4 and 3 आएगा. And केस नंबर 2 में क्या होगा? I will have a 4 3 here and a 5 2 here, right? Because I don't exactly know the permutation here, but I know that these are the only ways through which I can form a 7. I hope this is clear to you guys, right? ये मैंने किया. So if I have a 4 + 3 here, मुझे अगर यहाँ पे 5 बनाना है, कैसे बनेगा बताओ? Just think through it and try to figure it out. 4 3 is done, which means 1 2 and 5, these are the only numbers that are left, right? इससे अगर मुझे 5 बनाना है, the only way is it has to be a 5 here. If this is a 5 here, so 4 + 3 + 2 + 1 is the only possibility, right? 4 3 2 1, right? This means if this is 5 and 2, ये 3 बनाना है, then 2 is gone, so only numbers left is 3 is the only possibility. If this 3 is used, मुझे 9 बनाना है, तो ये कैसे हो सकता है 9? Either 5 + 4, okay, 5 + 4 or 4 + 3 + 2, 4 + 3 + 2, but 3 I can't use, so it has to be 5 + 4 only, right? Which means अगर अब मुझे 6 बनाना है, तो 3 + 2 + 1 is the only possibility that I have. ठीक है. Similarly, if I try to do this table, 4 and 3 is gone, it has to be 2 and 1 only. So this has to be 5 and 4 only. If this is 5 and 4, this has to be 3, 2, 1 only. If this is 3, 2, 1, this is 5, 2. I have to make a sum of 5. It has to be 4 and 1. If this is 4 and 1, अब मुझे 10 बनाना है तो बताओ कैसे बनाऊंगा मैं? It has to be 5 plus 3 plus 2. A simple logic based DI. Okay. So now let's try to have a look at the questions. कि पूछा गया तुमसे? On how many days did she play with more than 2 toys? Okay. More than 2 toys के साथ वो कितने दिन में खेलती है? In case number 1, 1 and 2, Monday and Sunday are the days. Even in case number 2, Monday and Sunday are the days. So in total, it has 2 days. Okay, 2 days is the answer. With which toy did she play for the maximum number of times in the week? B, C, or none of these? Okay, maximum number of toys, right? बताओ. अगर मैं इस केस की बात करूं, this particular case, यहाँ पे B कौन सा है? B is 2 and C is 3. देख लेते हैं 2 और 3 वाला. 2 is basically coming for 3 times and 3 is coming for 4 times, right? Which means पहले वाले केस में तो 3 wins over, which means C is basically coming for maximum number of times. I hope this is clear, right? Why C? Because मैंने 3 घंटे वाले ज्यादा numbers यूज में लिए हैं, so C is being played for majority of the times. But अगर तुम नीचे देखोगे, it is basically 2. कि 2 is what? B. So B is used in 4 days, which means एक केस में B हो रहा है, एक केस में C हो रहा है, so answer has to be either B or C. I don't know. For how many minutes did she play on Monday? Monday को वो 6 मिनट के लिए खेल रही, right? She is playing for 6 minutes. Okay. Next question is, what could be the maximum number of days she played with exactly one toy? Okay. She played with exactly one toy. So नीचे वाले केस में तो it is 0 days, right? Because every time it is minimum 2. But if I talk about the first case, वो Wednesday and Saturday are the 2 days that she is playing with exactly one toy, right? 3 and 5. तो मुझसे पूछा है maximum. So maximum will be maximum of 2, 0. So it has to be 2. Okay. So a very great set, I would say. A perfect. ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं. Just that you had to. यहाँ पे 2 different cases को तुमको map करना था. So there were 2 different tables. And बहुत ही अच्छा question है क्योंकि 2 different tables. It's a very unique type of question. If you were able to solve it, guys, do let me know in the comment section कि तुमको कितना time लगा इस particular question को solve करने में. Okay. Great. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.